Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can unlock a hidden food recipe from the Modular Streets Festival in Heartopia. So to unlock a secret recipe, you're just going to cook the food you want to cook. So for instance, I want to cook the brick bowl fruit shaped ice. Here, I'm just going to switch the fruit to a different one. So for instance, I want to switch it to the raspberry one. But make sure you have cooked the base of the ingredients first. So make sure you have cooked this first and then you're able to switch the fruit to a different one. If you didn't do that before, it's not going to unlock the secret recipe. It's just going to unlock the basic recipe first. So make sure you unlock the basic one and then you're able to unlock the secret recipe. Also, you are able to see all of the recipes you need to complete by going to the Modular Streets section up here. So you're just going to go to the current season collection points, go to overview, and you'll see the foods that you need to unlock here. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!